If you watch my video on breakfast, you already know combinations matters, but lunch is where most Nigerians destroy their energy without knowing. Let's say what actually happens. Now imagine this. It is 2:30 p.m. in Lagos traffic. You are sleeping, your head is heavy. You are annoyed for no reasons, but you ate lunch. So why are you tired? Or have you ever noticed that after eating lunch, your body will just shut down? You are feeling sleeping in class, sleeping at work, even sleeping while scrolling. But the problem is not lunch. It is just how you combine your lunch. In my last video about breakfast, we talk about protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Lunch is even more dangerous if you ignore this. And one very popular Nigerian lunch is the biggest energy killer. I will show you why. Why Nigerian lunch can actually cause crash. And the most common lunch that we do have in Nigeria is a very big bowl of rice with little or small stew, eba, and soup with little protein, indomie and soft drink, fried rice, fried chicken, soda, or different kind of fries. What is the pattern? Too much refined carbohydrate food, too little protein, too much oil, sugary drinks. That combinations alone have spark up your blood sugar. It's going to make it to come fast, then crash. Then in the afternoon, you feel sleepiness. Now let me give you the formula again. Every stable lunch need just protein, fiber, controlled carbohydrates, and moderate oil. Now let me give you a real Nigerian food example, like rice, but not just rice, but balance. Rice is not the enemy, but portion and pairing matters. In one of my videos that I talk about that rice is not the enemy, you can go back and rewatch the full video and see that rice is not the problem, but there is solution to it to burn fat, especially for your flat tummy and to live healthy. Let's continue. Instead of big bowl of rice with small protein, do moderate rice, large portion of beans, or grilled fish and chicken is okay. Add vegetables like cabbage, your carrot, ugu, even better, brown rice if available, or rice and beans. Mix properly. It's a very sweet and powerful combo. Why this is going to work for your health? Carbohydrates plus protein plus fiber is just going to give you slow energy release, and it is very perfect for office workers, especially in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, those that spend long hours working. The next one you can try is swallow, but please do it rightly. Eba, amala, pounded yam, they are not bad. The problem is the quantity. If your swallow is too big and your soup is mostly oil, my dear, you will surely crash. Kindly upgrade it small portion, small swallow portion, more vegetable based soup like your efo riro, ogbono with vegetable, okra. Go for more vegetables, then a good protein, either fish, in meat, pomo. Everything should be in moderation. And vegetable will actually help you to slow digestion, and it's going to prevent you from that 3 p.m. sleep attack. What other food can you eat in the afternoon? Beans based lunch. They are the most underrated food. Beans and small garri, beans with plantain, moi moi and rice. This combination is stable, energy good. Beans digest very slow and you won't feel heavy, you won't feel sleepy, especially if you struggle with cravings in the evening. Increase beans at lunch. What do you need to actually stop doing? All these are very important, especially if you want to achieve your goal of feeling sleeping at 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. and you want to live healthy. You have to stop taking soda with lunch daily. Stop drinking only sugar in zobo. Eating every fried food every afternoon should be a very big no. Skipping lunch and overeating later should be abandoned. Liquid sugar plus every carbs is going to give you instant crash. But if your goal is just to have a stable energy, the best thing to do is water first, then balance meals. By the way, if you are always feeling sleepy, specifically between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., your lunch combination is likely the reason, not that you are actually lazy. Simple lunch formula that you can always remember. Before eating, ask yourself, where is my protein in this plate? Where are my vegetables? Is my carbohydrate portion too large? If rice, if protein is tiny and rice is a mountain, you already know the outcome. This is very important. Notice, if you look at this very well, you will see that this is the same formula I use from the breakfast video. Balanced meal wins every time, every day. And if you find this helpful, the next one we should talk about is dinner, because many people eat light in the morning and overload at night. Should we do that? If you want us to do that, kindly comment yes and tell me about your afternoon experience after eating. Kindly subscribe to my page. This is the only place I talk about food, nutrition, and break myths and help people that are confused about their plates and their health at the same time, so that you can see more of me on your screen. Kindly subscribe and comment which other related topic or which myths do you actually want me to bust next. Thanks for always watching my video.